What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 11 of the Amazon FBA Road to 10K per month profit challenge. And as I just said, week number 11, super excited to get this over with. It's been a crazy journey. As you can see on the screen, we've gone through everything from generating my LLC, bank account, Paydex profile, the selection tools that I'm using, my product selection, my product sourcing, the overview of Amazon Seller Essential, the product listing, my brand story, inventory management, how to get your product reviews, and also PPC management. It's been a crazy wild ride, and pretty cool how I've already have my sample shipped over from China to me. I'll be delivering this week. Super excited about that, just to see how it's going to come to life, and I'm going to show you guys how to optimize your sales and how to optimize your listing in this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. But first things first, I want to tell you guys about the site called Seller Kai. If you haven't followed this series, I'm actually going to be using these guys to actually be my freight forwarder for my product. But they have so many different services that I just had to reveal what they can actually do for your business, your Amazon FBA business. And if you're really tight on money, I'd suggest you still save up money in order to use this service, because they pretty much do like 80% of the work. And let me just run through everything for you real quick. So let's say that you order 500 units and Amazon only allows you to ship 200 units from China to their facilities, which is the case, by the way. If you're new to Amazon FBA, you can only launch 200 products. I want to say the first 2 to 3 months of being a new seller on Amazon, because they just don't trust you yet. You have to gain that trust with Amazon before they allow you to expand out your inventory. So, but with that being said, you do not want to be in that predicament of running out of inventory when Amazon gives you the green light, right? So what you want to do is you want to order 500 or even 1,000 units first, and then send 200 to Amazon, but the rest you need to store somewhere else, or you need to have at least prepped. And that's when Seller Kai comes in, and they'll actually forward all the products from China to the port all the way to Amazon in the US for you. That's kind of like their bread and butter. But again, they can prep that for you by putting labels on your cartons and your products for you to get it ready to go to ship to Amazon. And then they also do custom packaging. So if you want something real fancy to stand out from the rest of your competition, they can do that for you. Another big thing that they do that people don't know that they can do is your product photography. So what I plan on doing, as soon as the sample gets here, I'm gonna actually use one of my friends', homes, you could say, but I'm gonna be using a light box that I'll be ordering from Amazon. I'm gonna take my own photos or have her take pictures of my product for me. But if I didn't do that, or if I didn't have the accessibility to do that, I would actually be going through Seller Kai and allow them to actually take photography or take photo shots of my product. I don't know if they can do live action shots of the product, which is one thing that you always want to have, is like 1 or 2 of those within your product listing. But that is available for you to do that through Seller Kai. Factory inspection, that's another thing. What they'll do is they'll actually contact someone that's over there in China, and then they'll actually do some testing on your product, about 10 to 15% of the inventory that you're purchasing from them, and they'll actually do a live feed of the product itself, just to show you that, like, hey, this is legit, this is good, or they'll say, like, this is bad, you need to run another batch because this won't, basically the product is trash, and your customer's gonna be pissed when they get it, right? So that's another thing as well that they can provide for you through Skype. Again, freight forwarding, or going over that. If you want to do marketing inserts to promote another product that you have on Amazon, this is a great service to do that. All you have to do is create your own logos and your own artwork, and then give it to them, and then they'll get you set up that way. Again, production inspection, live stream, and they'll just do a live stream video of them testing your product and showing like the imperfections of your product over there in China, and that way you're not having to constantly ship stuff over there from China to your house, so you can inspect it yourself, and they take care of all that for you. Samples, consolidation, samples evaluation as well. So you don't have to have samples sent to your house. I want to, just because it's my first product that I've ever launched on Amazon. So I want to actually touch it and feel it, make sure everything's legit for my own eyes. But you do have the option later on, I guess, if you want to have them do a sample evaluation via live stream. Let's see, and then page 2. A supplier background check. If you don't trust them or you want a little bit more knowledge about them, they can run a background check. They can actually find suppliers for you. And I believe they have people that can speak Mandarin as well. So if there's a supplier that you like but you don't speak their language, I think they can help you out with that. And they also test out products for you as well. So again, photography piece, that falls into the listing optimization piece that we'll be going over today. And for example, on Zombase, there is a photo enhancer. Why this is so important? Because at the end of the day, people just want to see clean, crisp photos and live action photos of them using your product. So with this service on Zombase, link down in the description, first link down in the description, they have a service called Photo Enhancer. So under listing optimization, click Photo Enhancer. You'll hit this page, and it's designed to drive more clicks, increase conversions, and improve your brand identity. So they give you some before and after pictures. Like, so you have this at first, but then they convert it to this, and then again this out of coming from this. They're just trying to show your product in live fashion. That way people can envision themselves using your product, therefore it converts higher and clicks will increase and increases your brand equity as well. Same thing, spin wheel game, before, then after, showing it more of a live action shot of the product being used, therefore they can see themselves using it as well, hence the increase in conversions. But there are more before and after photos. Just help liven it up a little bit more and catch the appeal of the people that are scrolling through and checking out your product. So just submit your order, send us the photos, and then they just basically essentially Photoshop your product within live action shots. And then once you get that, you use that for your listing. And here are the pricing rates. So 5 photos, you're looking at about $400. Or you can do, I don't know what big saver combo is. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just like unlimited amount. I guess it's 5 photos plus listing optimization. But very cool service to have. And again, this is, I'm gonna say highly recommended, but this is something that you definitely want to think about moving forward for your photos. That way you can even split test too. So do it without this service and do one with, and then see which one converts the highest. And that way you can kind of determine whether you want to keep doing it for all your products or just this one. Let's see. And then there's also for listing optimization, let's go to reverse ASIN. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the highest keyword density on the top ranked products. So for example, let's do whey protein. So let's see, this is sponsored, not sponsored. So let's go ahead and click on this and grab it, the ASIN. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna reverse out the listing to find out what the keywords are for that. That way, if we're selling whey protein, we know what keywords to go after. So ASIN, scroll down to the bottom, and then we're gonna go to Zombase. Paste in the ASIN, hit analyze. Now it's gonna extract all the data from the listing that's on Amazon. And what I would probably do, guys, is based on what I've learned, do the top 3 or top 5 products in your category, and then just snag all the keywords. So the rank number 1, the 20 where it's green, yellow 21 to 40, orange 41 to 60, red 61 plus. But as you can see on the right side, you can see how many times that keyword pops up, right? That this thing's gonna pop up for. So all you have to do, of course you can just scroll through and see all these. All you have to do is just export, and then you're gonna get a spreadsheet of like all these keywords in their rank. And then once you do that, when you do your listing, you would just, when you do your PPC, you would then throw those keywords inside of that. That way, over time, organically, you'll start ranking for those keywords. But again, this works for any product that's on Amazon, so any kind of competitor that you might have. Of course, every product has an ASIN, so you would just, again, go to reverse ASIN. You would just put in, let's see, let's just do microphone. That's not sponsored. Amazon choice, so let's try this one. You're gonna scroll down. ASIN, grab that, copy, it's on base, reverse ASIN, hit next. Of course, there we go. Analyze, boom, there we go. Again, you're gonna export, grab those keywords that are ranked number 1, let's say ranked green and yellow, put those keywords in your PPC management, and then run it. And I think that is it, guys. That's all I have for today. So if you liked what I was putting down today, give your boy the thumbs up. And then next week, what we'll do is we'll go over how to scale your business. That way you're not working in the business, you'll be working on the business. Therefore, you can farm out to VAs and any kind of management team that you want for everything that you're putting together for your brand. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Hope you found it informative. Again, if you did, give the boy the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.